Yes, hola chicos. We came with Juan families in Valencia. We are visiting some place and we are searching the restaurant because we are hungry. I don't know. We will eat and then we will visit his family. Buenos dias. I know. I didn't record yesterday because we visited many places, but I don't want to record it. And today I want to record, and this video start the Valencia vlog. Welcome to my channel. Today I don't know what will we do. We will see because Juan said my parents always do that. Carpe diem. We will see. Yesterday we visited a few places. Today I guess this time I will show you these places because I like it and I'm sure you will like. So I will drink my coffee. I will enjoy my sitting. I will enjoy my view. That's it. Hasta luego. Hi guys. I left Juan house going to Mesquita for pray. I will go to the Juan's grandparents house. We will meet and we will do something. I don't know what will we do and we'll see. So, hasta luego. I left the Mesquita and I'm going to Juan's grandparents house. I don't know what will we do. I guess firstly we will eat something and then we will visit the places, some places. We'll see. Hi guys, I'm recording now because I'm making poacha. Juan helping me.
Christmas poachas.
I have to make good because
Dice la yaya que si pochas son gachas de Cuenca. Serán gachas turcas.
beni davet eden arkadaşın evinde poğaça yapıyorum. Poğaça istediler. Juan. Yamak olarak kullanıyorum kendisini. Poğaçanın hamurunu hazırlıyoruz. Bakalım ne olacak. Now we are making put inside olives. What is putting?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. I hope it will be good tasty. Now we finished preparing. We did very different kind of poğaças. Mother, don't say bad things because I know. I guess they will like mother. You should be proud of your son. All of mixing, queso, patata, olive. This kind of shape, this we did solo olive. This kind of shape of we did solo perejil and queso. These are chocolate type of. These are patata, perejil and queso. Many food.
Naciste enseñado. Juan es mío. Que no te engañen ya.
¡Pasárselo!
Me gusta.
De Rubí. No venimos nadie, ¿no?
Otro balón de fútbol.
Papá Noel.
Maru. Consu. A ver, ¿qué más toca? Mari. Yo no pago nada, libro.
¿Qué libro es?
Nati. Mari.
Este año me corta muy bien. ¿Cuándo saberas?
Oh, gracias. Hola.
Surprise.
Very surprising.
Papá Noel. Probably.
Ven,
100% algodón, calizo. Calizo, lo pone ahí.
Half bere.
No lo veo.
Neck bere.
Very good. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, Juan family.
They bought me half bere. I like it. Muchas gracias. This is my Feliz Navidad present. I like it.
Pues no lo sé porque había un esto de luz que cantamos.
Hi chicos, again we are visiting some place. We came Calle Şatırı on recording some videos and I will show you. Let's go. Juan and me, we are visiting some place, but center of very crowd. So
Many people in Christmas.
we couldn't pass the street. The view is amazing. Minutes ago, what happened?
Waiter, I thought Mohammed was my child.
Good morning, guys. We are going to Valencia city center, and we are entered the. Oh, I passed. And we are going to the center with Tuso. We will use metro. Let's go. Hi guys, now we entered the Valencia main cathedral and we are visiting inside. The building, it's good, I like it. I will show you. Juan and me climbing the cathedral rope. We arrived, but
Really fast, maybe 2 minutes. We went really fast.
and the manzara is incredible. Perfect.
Just poked her in the bell.